package today from Adams. I think this is my ceramic coating. Excuse the mess in the garage. There's my RC. My baby right there. So let's check it out. Let's see what it is. Don't let Yep. That's what it is. So that's the leather and vinyl ceramic coating. Ooh. Ceramic spray coating. It's the CS3. I had bought a kit, ceramic kit. And this is that glow in the dark, so they give you the UV light for the ceramic coating, which I think is pretty cool to make sure you got it evenly coated. And this is the ceramic paint coating. Ceramic Boost. A whole bunch of other goodies in here. And I think that's the surface prep. This is the ceramic kit. Comes with the applicator pad. And white. And then voila. Paint coating. Ceramic glow. So I'm gonna do a video of the process. My homie gonna help me with this. So I'm gonna show the process and do a video. He got a detail business. So I'm gonna support the homies. So stay tuned, and should be interesting. Peace.